Got a little B-roll here.
You said B-roll on the B-roll? I love it. You should leave that in. That we've been trying to go to the whole time, and it has been closed every single night. So we are not going there for dinner.
Looks like it might be about to open, but isn't yet. You also have a Japanese pho.
Oh, it is 5:40, and I think 5:30 is when they theoretically open. Oh, but here's the place we went last night, and it was amazing.
Yeah, food was very good.
If you looked on our Facebook and saw the pictures of us in front of the Mariposa with the Tulum sign overhead, that was this place. The food was fantastic, the atmosphere was fantastic, and the service was phenomenal. I highly recommend this restaurant.
They have a rooftop terrace right there. And
we need to figure out what the name of it is so we can tell people.
There's a big Trinity is the name, and it's got a big...
And here's the sign where we had our picture taken.
All right, we're going to Humo, H-U-M-O.
We just talked to the people from the restaurant where we ate last night, and they recommended this to us as a Restaurante del Típico, which is your standard Mexican fare. And so we were looking forward to it.
Yeah, so apparently it's an 8-minute walk. So
which is
basically
twice that for us. I don't know, because we're slow.
Yeah, call it 10 minutes from Intima, and it'll be right up here at the main road. All right, we're on the main street here now in Tulum.
Just had to kind of shut off around some police officers back there. Don't know what they're up to, but we are on our way to Humo.
Humo,
I think, because the H is silent. In 80 meters, and we are on the wrong side of the road, of course.
All right, well, we can cross up here.
Yeah.
There's a little boutique hotel.
Oh,
looks kind of neat. Coco Hacienda.
I like it.
All right, there it is right there.
And yet here we are right here.
Well, we had to cross at some point. Okay, hold on a second here. All right, now we have a police patrol.
Look at that.
National Guard.
Semi-automatic rifle there.
A whole group of them there. Got a pretty busy thoroughfare here. This is the main street of Tulum. This does go all the way to Playa del Carmen, and I believe Cancun also.
So this is the road we'll be on tomorrow after we take our trip to Tulum.
Yeah, I believe this goes to the airport, or at least the airport area. I also believe we're going to be here about an hour to cross the street.
I was going to say 25 and a half minutes, but you know.
We should have crossed at the traffic light. But here we go, let's go for it. That's in the middle.
Go.
You want to keep going? All right.
You're not going to run us over.
Well, I would have stopped. All right, here we are, Humo. After nearly just dying crossing the street.
At great risk to our own lives, we are here to show you this restaurant.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
Here's some gazpacho we ordered. It looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Is it still working or we're done?
Oh, we're done with that.
Oh, yeah, we're done with that for sure. Delicious. So good.
Yeah, thank you.
controversial because the octopus is our friend, but the octopus is also really delicious.
All right, guys, that was Humo.
It was so good.
Very good. There's the main avenue at night. You can see they have the Christmas lights up all along.
This is either Avenida something or Calle something, but I'm not sure which. I mean, they're all either an Avenida or a Calle, you know that. So this is what crossing a street in Mexico looks like.
Let's at least get out to the little median thing there. That's at least somewhat safer. There we go. There's an actual crosswalk there.
I know, that's what I thought we were going to.
Oh.
Silly me, seeing stripes in the street, thinking that's where you were walking.
Well, I was just saying there. Here we go.
Go up to this motorcycle. Alright, now after all these cars, we cannot really go. Oh, hang on. Oh, no, we got this. Let's go. Vamos. Woo! We didn't die, guys.